Posting a video online. Hey, it happens all the time. You're looking at a video that's been posted online. But does that ever result in a criminal charge? Well, it takes us to this week's case. It involves a teenager in Pennsylvania. Now, when the case moved forward through the courts, he was never identified. Again, that many times happens that people under the age of 18 will not be identified in litigation. He was referred to by his initials NMC. Well, this young man observed a fist fight in the men's restroom. And two guys got into it. He took a video of it with his phone and then he sent it to his girlfriend. One of his friends heard about it and asked if he could get a copy, so he sent a copy to his friend. Well, eventually the principal of the school heard about it and the actions were brought against the two guys involved in the fist fight. But action was also brought against NMC for posting this video. And the argument was that he was engaged in disorderly conduct, as disorderly conduct is defined in Pennsylvania. Okay, well, he was found guilty by a magistrate judge. He appealed to a trial judge, and then he appealed from there. Long story short, on behalf of the prosecutor, it was being argued that he engaged in disorderly conduct because the fight scene was pretty graphic and it would basically cause people to react very badly. On the other side of it, well, lawyers on his behalf said that NMC didn't do really anything much different than what's done all the time, posting a video. Videos of this violence are shown all the time. All you have to do is go to a movie theater or run a DVD and you're going to see this kind of violence. And they said, you know, when we look at the statute, there really isn't a clear definition of what is disorderly conduct. It's something that will incite people to action that might result in violence. And examples were given of spewing putrid garbage in and about the public or flashing blinding lights into somebody else's eyes, all of which would be considered as disorderly conduct. But here, there was nothing of that nature. There was no actual physical assault brought on anybody, and in order to access the video, somebody had to go to the video and view it. So therefore, the argument was on his behalf that he did not do anything which consisted of disorderly conduct under the statute. All right, so on final review, the court viewed this and said, well, in our humble opinion, based upon the facts as they have been presented here, we find that NMC did not engage in disorderly conduct and that the simple posting of disorderly conduct in the form of a fight was not in and of itself disorderly conduct for all of the reasons given on behalf of him by his attorneys as the case went forward. And therefore, since we do not find it meets the definition of disorderly conduct under Pennsylvania statute, we find that he is not guilty of disorderly conduct, and in short, the case is over and done with and basically thrown out. Okay, bringing cases every week so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.